Hi there. In this video, we are going to design a water pipe. So this is our environment on Onshape. So right mouse button click and drag your mouse to see around this thing. These are our planes. This is our origin point. You can navigate through this tool as well. This is our features window. Okay, so now what we can do, I click on the front view here and select sketch, and then I'll select my plane. I can select from the feature window as well, or you can click here on the plane. So we have a sketch 1 here. So simply I'm going to draw a path. So I'm going to use this applying tool. This is the origin. I'll start from the origin and drag this thing like this, and I'll click on escape. Now this is the front view. Now if we want to draw our pipe, we need something like we need to draw something on the top view. I'll click on the top view. This is our origin. Click on sketch, select my top view, and now I can sketch on it. I'll click on center point circle, click on this point, this origin point, and drag this circle. Okay, I'll click on Ctrl Z to undo the other circles. Okay, now we have the circle on this origin point, and I want to extrude this circle around this path. So for that, I'm going to click on front view. I'm simply going to click OK here, and I'm going to use this tool. This is called Heat tool, and we are going to just simply, as you can see, this is our path. I have created a circle here, and I'll just extrude the circle around this path. So that's very simple. Okay, now I click on this sweep tool, and then I'll click on the all edges of sketch. First to sweep, I want this one. I'll click on it. We have select the edge of sketch 2. Now I want to click on this window, sweep path, and I will click on my path here. We have to click on it. Okay, now you can see we have our pipe. I'm using my mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out this thing. I'm going to click simply on front view to see in this view. Okay, we have this one, and I'll click on OK. If I want to change something here, I can simply go in sketch 1, click right mouse button, edit, and then just change my path. I can change that. Okay, something like this, or this, or so whatever you like. So I'm going to click on OK again, and you can see a different shape here now. It will take some time. Okay, so there are some problems like here, this area, that's why it's red now. I'm going to click on sketch 1 again and edit this thing again. And I'm going to simply click here, drag this thing, and now if I press on OK, you can see our pipe. Okay, so this is it. This is hollow. So that's all for today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. I'll teach each and everything about Onshape one by one, so you can watch my other tutorials as well. Thank you. See you in the next one.